Hello, Dr. Lisa Beighle here. I've been with AMC now since 2005 and has absolutely been life-changing for me. I opened my practice in Seymour, Tennessee, sat in my office by myself for many, many months, wasn't gaining any traction simply because I did not know how to run a business. I knew how to be a doctor, but beyond that, I was just praying for patients to come in and stick around. So when I found AMC and I joined, did not have any staff, did not have an x-ray. That was a process for me. So my mother actually ran my front desk for 2 weeks at a time. She'd go home for 2 weeks. She'd come back for 2 weeks. She did that for me for about 6 months until I was able to hire somebody. And that is when my practice really started taking off. It's important, as you find out too, within this company and this program and how to run a business, how important it is to have amazing staff. I am blessed to be able to bring my staff to the meetings, have them sit through training. So I know what they're supposed to be doing. They actually know what I'm supposed to be doing. We are gelled together as a team, and really nothing can throw us off. A patient can't say to me, hey, your office manager told me I could do this, because I know she's not going to say that. So solidifying my team to work with me has made a huge difference. In fact, we set many, many goals in our office, and we had a goal that was very large, and it had to do with collections in 1 month. And I told my staff if they hit that collections in 1 month, I would take them all on a week-long vacation, and they chose that they wanted to go to the beach. So we just hit that goal March of 2022, and we have that goal set for the trip to happen this October. So the 7 of us are just going to go and bond and have a good time and celebrate the successes. We are celebrating a number of money in, but ultimately it's the patients that we were able to serve and the lives that we were able to touch. And without this company, I would not be as willing or able or to bless the lives of these patients and my community. So I will always be part of AMC in some capacity because it has been life-changing for me.